Hi friends, this is EasyWay first soundtrack added video. In this video we discuss about how to protect our Wi-Fi from unwanted persons use or hacking like things. For that purpose, first entering into modem configuration page. Enter 192.168.1.1 in web browser address bar. Please wait, it takes some time. Yes, the modem authentication page appear. Enter username admin and also password is admin. By default, all modem username and password is admin. This admin always in lowercase letters. By default, appearing page is status. In that page, you can see in your left side wireless status. You can see current connected wireless clients number is 3 and also its MAC address. In that wireless device table, copying one MAC address to show you how can protect your Wi-Fi. Sorry, for some security reasons we were trying to hide some information. Now select network setup. On this network setup page, default selection is WAN. Here we want to select wireless. Now want to reach bottom of this page. There you can see wireless MAC address filter in your left side. By default, status is deactivated. EasyWay want to activate this technology. For the purpose as well as our desire, Wi-Fi device will be able to connect with our modem or router. That is allow and block particular items. Here action has two types. One is allow association and second is deny association. Here EasyWay describes only about on allow association. After describing this, you can get idea about what is allow association and what is deny association. In this eyeball pattern modem, we can add 8 Wi-Fi devices. That is MAC address #1 to MAC address #8. Now we are going to paste that copied MAC address in MAC address #1 text box. Then save button pressed. In the case of EasyWay, this method is working. EasyWay can connect only one Wi-Fi device with this mode. Now, if anyone known EasyWay Wi-Fi password, they cannot connect with this EasyWay modem because EasyWay want to enter their MAC address in this any of MAC address #1 to MAC address #8 text box. Using this method, we can protect our Wi-Fi modem or router. Now we are going to explain what is deny association. When we changing from allow association to deny association, cannot connect our modem with this Wi-Fi device. Thanks for watching. Never forget to subscribe EasyWay and like this video. EasyWay expects your valuable comments.